Hi everyone, I'm Eric Marshall and I thought I'd make a quick recording to show you how that logging into your email works because this is remote learning now. So here we go. First I'll open up an incognito window and that stops any saved passwords from affecting the browser. I'm going to paste the address that I sent you over the email, although any Office365.com will get you to this sign in. You log in with just first letter, last name at minuteman.org. You do need the minuteman.org. It should be asking you for your password. It'll be minute3man that I sent in the email. You'll then have to change your password to something secure, of course, and you'll be brought to this home screen. So this is the main set of Office 360 apps. There are some other ones that you can access up here in the upper left-hand corner through what we call the waffle or the app launcher. I'll quickly go over them and that's it. So Outlook is email. We also use the Outlook calendar functions from it, which helps you schedule remote learning meetings and things like that. OneDrive is your 5 or 50 gigabyte remote storage. I've never come anywhere near the limit, so it's plenty. You can save all of your files, data, just all that curriculum stuff on the OneDrive. You can access it from any internet computer. You can access it from your cell phone, so you can always have your work stuff on the go. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you're probably familiar with. These are the online versions. There's both an online version, which we call the cloud version, and there's a desktop version. Desktop is much more powerful. In Word, it includes things like the referencing and citation section. In PowerPoint, you can record PowerPoints from the desktop version and turn it into a video file, but you can't do it from the cloud. OneNote's a tool we use kind of as a filing cabinet for class notes, but OneNote is now a part of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is the platform that we use to hold those remote class meetings, and you will get training on setting up classes, running classes, setting up assignments, all of that stuff. So those trainings are coming, but you'll want to take a look at Teams anyway. There is a cloud version and a desktop version for that. Sway is similar to PowerPoint, and Forms is an online kind of like lets you set up quizzes and short questions for the students. You can also put like one of these Forms questions into PowerPoint, so you can do a lesson followed by a couple questions. Very importantly, up in the corner, install Office means you can install Office. So those are those full desktop versions. You can install it into up to 5 machines. So use it so you can have that desktop version of Outlook, desktop PowerPoint on a machine at home, your work laptop. It's very powerful and good software that you can install. So that's a quick look around. If you go into Outlook, you'll be able to access all the latest correspondence about fall opening plans, and you'll be able to access the curriculum maps using your Minuteman address. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks.